Hey guys, Devin Nielsen here from RDS Automotive. Today I'm going to be taking you for a ride along in a 2019 Maserati GranTurismo MC convertible finished in an exceptional Rosso Magma tri-coat. Come along with me and we'll get her fired up. The GranTurismo is the last great turnkey, naturally aspirated V8 Grand Tourer produced by Maserati. The power plant underneath the bonnet is the Ferrari 136 engine. It came into production in 2001 when Ferrari owned Maserati and has been in models such as the Ferrari F430 and 458 Speciale since its inception. The GranTurismo MC is the last Maserati or Ferrari to sport the engine. It gives the GranTurismo 453 horsepower, a top speed of 177 miles an hour, and a 0 to 60 of 4.9 seconds. As I'm cruising along here, if I downshift and give her some gas, the sound just fills the cabin. It's quite intoxicating. Aside from the mind-blowing sound of this beast, its looks are right up there as well. From the aggressive front end flowing into the curvy rear hips with the sporty rear diffuser. You're excited way before you turn the key. With the GranTurismo no longer in production, it makes for a much more unique buy than a Porsche 911 or Mercedes S-Class coupe. And with its center infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, you'll have all the modern amenities you'll ever need. Stop by Maserati, the main line today, to check out the GranTurismo for yourself. You won't regret it, and you may very well end up driving away in it. Once again, I'm Devin Nielsen, and thanks for coming along the ride today. I'll see you next time.